Okay, sir. Good evening po.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. So, I'm Chris, the marketing head for Hotel Dream World. So, welcome po sa first Scare and Slay Halloween Parade Party.
Sir, ilan po ang participants na...
Okay, so we have around 200 guests po, guests ng hotel natin and outsider who enjoyed and registered and attended our party today.
First time po ba ito?
Yes, this is the first time po ng Hotel Dream World. So, together with different establishments, we are celebrating a small party prior the solemn celebration of a also today and also today. Yun po, we have a party today with Hotel Dream World.
Tuloy-tuloy po ba ito?
Yes, so this is the first one. So we're planning to have this next year also kasi ang dami pong nag-register at pumunta. And then makikita nyo po, iba-iba po yung costume, pinaghirapan po ng bawat isa.
Ano po maasahin ng participants nito?
Okay, so today we have a celebration of performance, artistic performance from our drag queens. Next is party music by our DJ. And of course, we have great food and drinks by Hotel Dream World. And lastly po, pag nag-enjoy tayo masyado sa party natin, our rooms are ready upstairs for your comfort, for your security. After party, just stay with us and all in. That's Hotel Dream World.
Ilan po ang capacity nito kung sakaling bumagsak? Kaya ba? Capacity nito?
Yes, sir. So,
Ilan ang capacity nito hotel?
okay. In terms of the capacity of hotel, sir, we have around 100 plus rooms. So we can accommodate family, couples, and individuals who want to enjoy the party and of course have comfort within the Quezon City area.
Sir, event po ngayon,
Sir, yes. Today we will be awarding best costume kasi kita nyo naman po, grabe ang preparation talaga ng bawat isa. Guest man sila, sir, or outsiders, they are well costume na pinag-effortan nila. I think this is the trend right now. So, yes, we are giving prizes for this, sir.
Sa susunod, sir, na gusto sumali, paano sila sino pang pwede ko makisip?
Okay. In terms po for next year, of course, nag-post naman po kami sa aming mga social media pages and at the same time sa aming website and sa aming mga branches.